Next on the list is little lifters. These little things in here are lifters.
Okay, the lifters. Now, to clean them, obviously you need a little feeder pin to push through the actual shit inside. What I found was if you get a CRC can with a nozzle on it, you can actually push that through and force the actual oil out of it, or the dirty oil out of it. It'll come through the center part here. Now, the other thing is, alright, so now there's 3 parts to each of them. I just soak these in oil so I can get them back together. There's 3 parts, so there's a little spring goes on there, like so, and then the cover goes over the top. This has been soaked in oil, so it should go together okay. Alright, so that's pretty much the way they go back together, and you see that that's moving pretty well. 6 of them, 6 springs. Assemble them back the way they were. Now, one of the other things I found with cleaning these shafts was put in a drill, leather gloves, using leather gloves, spin it really high speed, and it seems to polish this quite nice without damaging it. So that's a tip for cleaning the ends of it. I'll put all these back together and then I'll show you them going into the actual rail. Okay, so putting the lifters back into the actual head. So what you need to do, and the key thing to this is, and making sure it is correct, is there's a little hole inside the bottom, the larger part. That needs to go facing the actual rail in the center, that center rail. So you've got to make sure that that's actually in line with the actual center rail, as you can see there, and then realistically just insert them back into place like so. Yeah, that's as easy as it is.